Imagine an office where your copier, a vital tool for your business, never breaks down unexpectedly, never disrupts your operations, and never incurs unforeseen repair costs. This is the peace of mind a copier service agreement can provide. A service agreement is not just another line item in your budget. It's an investment in efficiency and longevity. It ensures your copier is always in top condition, ready to handle the daily demands of your business. Without a service agreement, you're left to manage and anticipate potential issues on your own. This can lead to costly repairs and disruptive downtime. With a service agreement, you're proactively preventing these problems before they occur. But a service agreement does more than prevent downtime. It saves you money. Think about the costs associated with a major repair, or worse, the need to replace your copier prematurely. A service agreement, with its regular maintenance and expert care, can prevent these significant expenses. Finally, a service agreement ensures the longevity of your copier. Regular maintenance, timely repairs, and professional attention all contribute to the lifespan of your equipment. This means your investment in a copier will serve your business well for many years to come. Choosing a copier service agreement goes beyond simple maintenance. It's a strategic decision for uninterrupted business flow, smart budgeting, and future-proofing your operations. Embrace the foresight that keeps your office ahead and running smoothly. Dive deeper into the advantages and savings of our tailored service agreements at CompleteOffice.co. Protect your productivity and your peace of mind today. Let's ensure your business never misses a beat.